The top 5 best air fryers of 2025, chosen based on performance, price, capacity, real-life user experience, and versatility. Let's explore what makes each model stand out and help you find the perfect fit for your kitchen. Number 1. Hobbs Satisfry Dual Basket Air Fryer. Type: Dual Baskets. Capacity: 8L. Price range: mid. The Satisfry excels at family meals and multitasking. With 2 independent baskets, it allows simultaneous cooking of different items, ideal for chicken and fries or fish and veggies. The Smart Sync Finish function ensures both baskets finish at the same time, even with different cooking durations. In real-world use, we found the build quality solid, the baskets easy to clean, and the presets genuinely helpful. It's quiet, heats fast, and doesn't hog counter space like some others. Ideal for busy households who need flexibility. Number 2. Ninja Crispi. Type: Compact Digital Air Fryer. Capacity: 4.5L. Price range: budget-friendly. Ninja's Crispi is compact but mighty. It preheats quickly, crisps beautifully, and fits comfortably in small kitchens. We tested frozen foods, fresh vegetables, and even desserts. All came out well-cooked and evenly browned. For singles, couples, or small families, Crispi strikes the perfect balance between price and performance. Plus, it's very intuitive for beginners. The LED interface is bright and simple, and the automatic shutoff feature adds peace of mind. Number 3. Kalorik Vivid Touch Touchscreen Air Fryer. Type: Smart Touchscreen. Capacity: 5.3L. Price range: mid-high. Kalorik's Vivid Touch stands out with its modern aesthetic and smart interface. It boasts 13 presets and a highly responsive digital touchscreen, making it easy to switch modes or adjust temperature on the fly. In practice, this fryer is powerful. Chicken comes out tender inside and crispy outside. It also does a surprisingly good job at baking and reheating. If you like the feel of cooking with technology and want versatility without a huge learning curve, the Vivid Touch hits the sweet spot. Number 4. Ninja Double Oven Air Fryer. Type: Dual Function Oven Plus Air Fryer. Capacity: large, 2 levels. Price range: premium. Think of this as an all-in-one kitchen solution. The Ninja Double Oven is perfect for larger families or those who meal prep in bulk. It air fries, bakes, roasts, and toasts across 2 independent levels. We tested its ability to cook 2 completely different meals at once: steak on top, roasted vegetables below, and the result was restaurant-quality texture and timing. It does take up more counter space, but for what it offers, it's a fair trade-off. Efficiency, capacity, and versatility. This one's built for serious home chefs. Number 5. Ninja 5-in-1 Grill and Air Fryer. Type: Multifunction. Capacity: 4.7L. Price range: upper mid. This Ninja 5-in-1 is not just an air fryer. It's a grill, roast, bake, and dehydrate station. During testing, we grilled burgers, air-fried wings, and baked cookies, all with excellent results. The grilling feature adds a unique value that most air fryers lack: grill marks, juicy centers, and that real char taste, without smoke or outdoor grilling hassles. If you're looking for a multifunction device, this is one of the most reliable and powerful options out there.